Even though personalized emails can double or even triple your reply rate, they take a lot more effort to write than normal emails. When done manually, one email could take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to write. So if you want to have the best of both worlds, have insane reply rates and still send thousands of emails, you need to begin with the correct lead setup. Whenever you scrape your leads, try to scrape additional information like their website or LinkedIn profile. We'll need those later. If you get your leads from lead databases like Apollo, this shouldn't be a problem, because Apollo and other services alike provide you a lot of information about your lead, including their email, first name, LinkedIn, and website URL. That's everything we need to craft and personalize emails at scale with minimum effort. But what if you already have thousands of email contacts, but you don't have their website or LinkedIn profile information? Well, it's quite simple. We can find use for those leads by extracting the domain from their email. Doing this takes less than a minute. Select all of your leads in a Google Sheet, copy and paste them, select split text to columns, and add an @ symbol as a custom variable. Now you'll have the first names and website URLs. Once you have this extra information ready, add variables at the top. You have a perfect lead list. Now let me show you how to use this to craft unique emails for each of these recipients at scale in less than 5 minutes. To write thousands of personalized emails, we'll use Salesforge. What Salesforge does, it takes information about whatever you're selling and combines it with the information about your lead and uses it to write hyper-personalized and unique emails for each recipient. This is why we needed to have website or LinkedIn URLs, because Salesforge is gonna use them to write the emails. Now, before you import any leads, you first need to set up a product. This is what Salesforge will use as seller's data to pitch your prospect. Product setup is super simple. Just go to product, fill in the fields such as pain point, cost of an action, desires, all this good stuff, and you're good to go. Now make sure not to add any marketing buzzwords. Keep the text here specific. Imagine it's your client talking about your product. Once you have this ready, you can go and import contacts by going to contacts and clicking import. This is also super simple to do. If you did it correctly, you should see leads information right here together with their website or LinkedIn profile. Now to write personalized emails, we need to create a new sequence. Go to your sequences, name your sequence, and select the product you just created. Add your leads, and if you haven't validated them before, validate them now. Now we're in the sequence builder. Click AI generated emails. This is where the magic happens. Now you can use your leads LinkedIn or website or both to craft hyper-personalized emails at scale. Select the tone you'd like, add follow-ups, and now you can check what your emails will look like. See, this email was completely written by AI. Super personalized and unique to this recipient. AI used the information you added about your product together with information from your lead's website or LinkedIn page to write an email that's unique to them. As you can see, all emails are unique. This greatly increases the deliverability rate and of course the reply rate. Now all you need to do is select other sequence settings and start sending super high quality personalized emails at scale with minimum effort needed. Now if you'd like to see how to create hyper personalized images that you can use in follow-ups to increase your reply rate even more, check out this video.